If you've ever had a room trasher. And he's a room trasher. He takes down everything in his wake. The bulletin board, it's all going. It's going. He can get his little paws on it, it's going. As soon as he got up out of his seat and he started trashing the room, I'd say to him, I'd go, stop, immediately, sit, which is pretty mean to say. And he would just look at me, and he'd just start trashing everything else. So then I said to the kids, reading corner, very calmly, made the call. Someone came in, removed the child. He went to a section of where we had in the front of the school, near the principal and near other people so he could be supervised. No one talks to him. No one interacts with him. No one counsels him. No one gives him a snack or a coloring book. All right? I know it's going to sound a little bit, I know I'm stepping a little, but I just want you to hear this. Because what he's done right now is something that is over the top. So he's removed from all of the social interactions. He now is sitting there by himself without any interactions, and he's like not saying anything, or he might throw himself on the floor, but he's still there, and he's on the floor. And after a while, depending upon the age of the child, I'll go over to him and say, assess the situation, see if he's in a de-escalated spot, and then I'll say, okay, after lunch, you're going to return to the classroom. After lunch is your class's recess, and that's going to be your time to go in and we'll help you clean up the mess. They need to be responsible for cleaning up some of the mess. Now, if I have a room trash and I've got to clean up the mess so the next kids can actually, use the room, I will do that, but I will retain some of the evidence for that child. And if the next day they come in a better spot, I can say to them, hey, good morning, it's great to see you, Glenn. Come on over here. Oh, can you throw these away, though, first before we get started today? Which is part of his trashed mess. Somehow, he has to be accountable for a piece of that damage.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.